Hi, so today I'm going to show you how many applications you're going to get from your sheet of wraps. So this is a full sheet here, which is $22 in Australia, or if you want to take advantage of the buy three get one free deal, they end up being $16.50 for a sheet of wraps. Now, from this one sheet, you can get 4 pedicures and 2 manicures. So I'll start by just showing you half a sheet. Now with half, you would use these 5 bottom wraps here, and that's going to do your manicure, your first manicure. So you would cut the wraps in half up that way, and one side's going to do one hand and the other side's going to do the other side. And you would always put the curved end of the wraps towards the bottom of your finger where it's already curving, I should say. And up the top, you'll be left after your manicure with these 4 wraps here. So I use this one, this size here, on my big toe, and then cut, these wraps up for my small toes for 1 pedicure. Then, so that's 1 pedicure and 1 manicure, and you're left with this 1 wrap up the top. So I use this on my big toe. I then will just paint my small toes a matching colour. That way I don't have any wraps left over and I can utilise my full sheet. So just with that half, we've gotten 2 pedicures and a manicure. So you would do the exact same thing on the other side. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. If you can get 2 manicures and 4 pedicures out of 1 sheet, which is only going to cost you $16.50 if you're taking advantage of that deal. Otherwise it's $22, which still, where can you go and get 2 manicures and 4 pedicures for $22? Now you're probably wondering, how long do they actually last? Now it will vary depending on your lifestyle, but they last up to 2 weeks. I actually know people that have had them on for a month, and they only took them off because the bottom was starting to grow out a bit much. So they can last a long time. Now, I've had these ones on for 8 days now. So they're still looking perfect. There's no lifting at the tops or anything like that. And I have a 2-year-old and a little 12-week-old baby here. 12 or 11-week-old baby here. So I'm definitely very busy with my hands. They're always in water, they're always washing stuff, getting dirty outside, gardening, you name it, they're doing it. And you can see they still look great. So that's how long the manicures last. Your feet last a lot longer because you obviously don't do much scrubbing or whatever with your feet. So the longest my toes have lasted are probably like 10 weeks through winter. They do look a bit yuck because I don't usually leave my feet that long to do. But yes, I have gotten 10 weeks out of my pedicures. I usually change them now every 4 weeks, and the wraps still look great at that point, except for the regrowth down the bottom, which you're not going to get away from because your nails are going to grow. So yeah, that's how many applications you're going to get from that sheet. So it's pretty amazing.